Hi, I'm Carrie Michaels for About.com, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about growing tomatoes in containers. This is a cedar box, but I also have them growing in a reusable grocery bag. I have them in decorative pots. I have one in an earth box. Tomatoes are great for growing in containers. The only tricky thing about it is that you need to make sure you keep the moisture level for your tomatoes consistent. You don't want to dry them out and then water them. You want to keep the soil moist but not soggy. So that's the only thing tricky about growing tomatoes in containers. This is a bamboo cage, tomato cage, that you can make yourself. You can also buy a tomato cage. Is to keep the tomatoes from flopping over. You also want to feed your tomatoes. And this is a great organic plant food, or this is another one. It's a seaweed fish emulsion, and you want to dilute this. I use it every week to water the plants. The other thing that's great to do is when you finish your jug of milk, fill that up with water and water your plants with that diluted milk. Indeterminate tomatoes produce tomatoes all season. Determinate tomatoes just have one crop of tomatoes. So you want to check to see if your plant is determinate or indeterminate. But if you have an indeterminate tomato, you want to prune it. Now, most people don't think about pruning tomatoes, but what you want to do is take the little shoots that grow between the branches and just snap them off. So the four most important things about growing tomatoes in containers is to get a big enough container with enough soil. You want to consistently water your tomatoes. Sometimes you're going to have to water them twice a day. Feed your tomatoes with a diluted fertilizer once a week or once every other week. And sun. A tomato needs lots of sun, full sun, at least 6 hours a day. I'm Carrie Michaels, Guide to Container Gardening at About.com.